Have you ever felt so tired that your bones seem to ache, or dealt with a cough that just won't go away no matter what you do? Imagine for a second that your lungs are heavy, filled with something you can't quite clear out, and your energy level is at zero. It is a terrible feeling. But what if I told you that the solution isn't in a pharmacy aisle, but standing tall and majestic deep in the forest? Today, we are going to unlock the ancient secrets of the Red Fir, a powerful natural healer that might just change your life. If you have been struggling with respiratory issues or chronic fatigue, pay close attention. The Red Fir, known scientifically as Picea excelsa or Abies Pectinata, is a beautiful tree with valuable balsamic properties that have been used for centuries. You might know it as the Christmas tree, but its true gift is its incredible healing power located in its buds, leaves, and resin. Let's start with a problem that affects millions: exhaustion and nerve weakness. We live in a world that drains us, but nature provides a recharge station. According to the Notebook, walking frequently through pine and fir forests is highly recommended for those suffering from asthma, lung diseases, and nerve disorders. It is not just about the fresh air, it is about the healing power that emanates from this plant, which makes itself felt very quickly.
The text suggests that you should rest under these trees and even sleep in their shade. For those who can, fixing your residence for some time in the middle of these forests can be transformative. And here's a fascinating specific tip from the source. It is beneficial for these patients to sleep on mattresses made of pine or fir needles. Imagine that, literally resting your tired body on the very medicine that heals it.
Now, let's talk about your lungs. If you are fighting bronchitis, a stubborn cough, or throat issues, the Red Fir is your ally. The great curative power of this tree comes largely from its turpentine content. This substance gives it powerful balsamic properties. You can use it in a decoction for internal use. This liquid works wonders for catarrh of the respiratory tract, throat, and bronchi.
But it goes deeper. The tisane made from red fir cones, yes, the pine cones, greatly fortifies the organs of respiration and the voice. It is incredibly useful for combating colds, hoarseness, coughs, the flu, throat diseases, laryngitis, and even swelling. It has been used traditionally for conditions as serious as tuberculosis and pneumonia. You might be asking, how exactly do I use it? The Notebook outlines a few methods. One effective way is through steam baths. You can add the decoction of the tree's parts to the water for a steam bath applied to the chest and head. This direct application helps clear the airways immediately. Furthermore, for general body aches like rheumatism, gout, and arthritis, adding it to your regular bath water is highly effective due to its depurative properties.
The Red Fir activates kidney function and increases urine production, acting as a diuretic. This means it helps your body flush out toxins that might be making you feel sluggish and sick. It is also diaphoretic, meaning it promotes sweating to help you break a fever or detoxify.
Let's look at the emotional and nervous aspect again. The tisane from fir cones strengthens the nerves. If you are feeling nervous heart, dizziness, or general debility, this plant offers relief. It helps combat low spirits and hypochondria. It is a holistic approach. By healing the lungs and detoxifying the body, it restores your vitality.
It is important to note that while we focus on the red fir, similar properties are found in related trees like the spruce and the silver fir. They all share that balsamic, turpentine-rich profile that is so hostile to respiratory ailments and so welcoming to a tired body. So, how can you start today? If you have access to these trees, simply being near them is the first step. Breathe in that balsamic scent. If you can obtain the buds or cones, preparing a simple tea or adding them to a steam bath can provide the relief your lungs have been screaming for. It helps with old, stubborn skin infections, herpes, and separations too. It is a deep cleaner for your system.
Remember, nature often holds the answers we have forgotten. The red fir stands there, green and resilient through the winter, offering us its strength. Whether it is clearing up a flu that has dragged on too long, soothing a painful rheumatic joint, or simply lifting the fog of fatigue from your mind, this plant is a powerhouse.
Try incorporating the steam bath into your routine this week. See if you can find a safe source for the tea, and if possible, take a long walk in a fir forest. Your lungs and your nerves will thank you. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe so you don't miss the next video where we will dive into how vitamin D potentiates these natural effects. Leave a comment below. Have you ever used pine or fir products for a cold? What was your experience?